I think when I ride bus, I'll give me a fire. Nice enough. Like I feel the real fight out I get for where I come from. I really like it. From my dad, I really like it. The mission. The tour. Two years nicely running and running so brilliant. Two gonna steal it. Two get off a fight. And it was at the end half just like yeah.